Hey everybody, we are on an adventure today. We are off to, we got 4 miles to go to our campsite. It is 6 o'clock and it's getting dark fast, so we gotta go. Tomorrow we're gonna come back and check out these falls. Gooseberry Falls State Park. I'm about a mile in now, but had an unusually long summer this year. It was warm. It's peak fall season, as you can see by all the beautiful leaves around me. I thought I'd come up here and enjoy it for that one day. So I ran up here as fast as I could, and we are here for just tonight. We're gonna hike in here, we're gonna camp, and then tomorrow morning we're gonna come down and we're gonna explore these waterfalls and check them out. It's supposed to be, speaking of the unusually long summer, seems like it's gonna be ending tomorrow because the high tomorrow is like 44 or something like that. So I'm gonna have to keep moving, keep my blood flowing. Anyway, I haven't been here that much this year, so that was another reason for me coming up here. It's like, you know, I haven't been on the Spear Hiking Trail this year. Let's go. Check out this tree. I'm on fire! I'm on fire! Cue music. Alright, adventurers, I made it. I'm at the first campsite. Nobody here. Amazing. Totally expecting it to be someone to be here. It is 7:07. I got here in an hour. It was about 2 3/4 miles to the first campsite. It was either that or 4 miles was the last campsite. There's 3 of them. I was hoping for the first one, but kind of betting on the last one. But things worked out for the best. Yay. Happy trails. Anyway, it's been about 5 minutes. I'm gonna end this break, go set up my tent, and it's beautiful right now. I think I'm gonna try to start a fire with this wet wood that's sitting here. But it's supposed to rain at like 10 o'clock, so let's go. All right, adventurers. It's like 9:30 now. I spent a while trying to build a fire. It was useless. The wood was way too wet and too big. It was like big logs and they were soaking wet. It rained earlier this morning, so. But I'm pretty tired, so I think I'm gonna head to bed. Tomorrow we're gonna head down to the waterfalls and check them out. See you in the morning. Good morning, adventurers. It is about 10 o'clock. I've been laying here in bed all morning. It's a little chilly. It's about 45 degrees, which is about the high for today. So I've just been laying in my sleeping bag nice and toasty. But it's 10 o'clock. It's time to get up and start getting going. I'm gonna make myself some Quaker instant oatmeal, some maple and brown sugar. That's the best stuff. And then I'm gonna pack up and we're gonna go see some sights here. Let's go check them out. Alright, so I realized I didn't show you guys the campsite. So here's the trail coming into the campsite here. And then I placed my tent right over here in the very first tent pad, so it was closer to the river. I could still hear the river flowing over there. That's where I slept last night. And then here's the main campfire bench area. Here's all that wood that I tried to start a fire with. So yeah, no good. Yeah, pretty nice campsite. I didn't really explore it. It was pretty late when I got here last night, so I didn't really explore it. There's another tent pad over there. There's a few trails going off these ways. There's probably more tent pads. Yeah, pretty decent campsite. The tent pad that I stayed on was great. Very flat. A lot of rocks or roots. This looks like a pretty nice tent pad over here as well. Oh, and some space back here for some hammocks. Maybe another tent. This looks like a perfect hammock spot right here. Alright. Pretty nice. Alright, well, I'm going to pack up my tent and get headed out. Now that it's daytime, we can explore things that I passed yesterday. And our first is the Bridge of Death. This fellow was going to die last night crossing this thing. Alright, here we are at the Gooseberry River. Very, very low. It's insane how low it is right now. I've never seen it like this before. It's turned into a creek. And I passed them yesterday, but you'll see in a little bit, there are some beaver dams on it. Beavers started damming it up now, because it's so low. Alright. These beautiful purple flowers still going strong. Here's a good example of some major beaver activity. Here we go. This is the one I was looking for. Look at this. I've never seen a beaver do this before, but maybe it's... I don't know if they did it intentionally or if it's just from them dragging so many trees down here. They dug a little ditch to pull the trees in. And if you see, they've created a whole trail up there. And they're just yanking trees down here and putting them in the water. And then you can almost see the beaver dams just up ahead. Those crazy beavers. Beaver dam. There we go. There's a good view of the beaver dam. It's really nice.
standing on a bridge here. And on the other side of the bridge, pretty awesome. You could imagine if there was twice, even 3 times as much water going down here. Which is normally what it is. Got a nice little spot here. I'm gonna take a little break. Eat some Reese's sticks. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. I believe that's High Falls. And I'm kind of getting lost here among a maze of paths that are Gooseberry Falls State Park. But yeah, some pretty impressive falls. I'm still on top of those as well. It's more impressive when there's a lot more water going over it. Amazing nonetheless.
I actually ended up at the car, so I dropped off my pack and I came back. Just for you guys. We got falls over here. I'm actually on an island in the middle of the falls here. Here's one side. Alright, here we are at the main Gooseberry Falls. Barely any water coming over it. Usually when I'm here, it's continuous all the way across. Still amazing on this. Then here's that one side I just showed you from up on top. So there we are, we got the big falls way up there, and this is the other side. And it's barely even flowing, and then it goes off this way. Pretty old falls. Absolutely gorgeous. You see why this is the #1 most popular hike in Minnesota. Alright folks, this has been amazing. One-nighter here at Gooseberry Falls. Absolutely gorgeous. And the peak of fall colors. Great. But I guess until next adventure, happy trails backpacking, signing out.